The question is, in between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock, at what time the two hands are in right angle position? According to our theory, in 1 hour, between 8 to 9 o'clock, the right angle positions are coming from 2 times. In last time we will discuss about that. So according to this, what are the right angle positions between the 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock? This is the question given. The solution is, the formula is 2 by 11 into hour into 30 plus or minus angle plus angle into past hour. This is the formula. You can calculate the right angle positions between the 8 and 9 or anything. Any between 2 hours, the right angle positions are coming from 2 times. Find out the exact right angle position between the hour to hour. The formula is 2 by 11 into h into 30 plus or minus 8 degrees into past hour. You can calculate the right angle positions. 2 by 11, hour means 8 o'clock into 30 plus angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. Past hour. Next, 2 by 11 into 8, that is 240 plus 90. Past 8. 2 by 11 into 240 plus 30, 330 into past 8. 11, that times 2, that is 60. 60 minutes past 8. That means 60 minutes past 8, you got one right angle position. And again, 2 by 11 into h into 30 minus 8 degrees into past hour. That means 2 by 11 into 8 into 30 minus 90 past 8. 2 by 11 into 8, that is 240 minus 90 into past 8. That means 2 by 11 into 240 minus 90. That means 150. And there, past 8. 215s are 300 by 11 into past 8. That means 8 hours, 27 minutes, 3 by 11 seconds. You got the exact right angle position again. Okay, we will see once again. In between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock, at what time the two hands are in right angle position? According to our theory, the right angle positions are coming from 2 times per hour. So exactly the required formula shortcut is 2 by 11 into hour into 30 plus or minus 8 angle into past 8. We got you write with plus one right angle position and you write minus with another right angle position. First we will do with plus 2 by 11 into hour means starting hour 8 into 30 plus angle means right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. So 90 into past 8. 2 by 11 into 8 3 is 240 plus 90 past 8. 2 by 11 into 240 plus 90 330 past 8. 11 cancelled in 330 30 times. 230 is 60. 60 minutes past 8 and 8 hours 60 minutes exactly 9 o'clock we got the one right angle position. We will find out another right angle position. Another right angle position, the formula is 2 by 11 into h into 30 minus a. Minus, in this case we have to use minus into past 8. So 2 by 11 into 8 into 30 minus 90 past 8. 8 that is 240 minus 90, 150. 250 is 300. 300 by 11. 300 by 11 means 27 minutes into 3 by 11. 27 into 3 by 11 minutes past 8. Okay? That means you got another right angle position in 8 hours 27 into 3 by 11 minutes. You got the exact right angle position in between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock. This is the formula. You got the right angle positions between any 2 hours, any 1 hour to 1 hour. This is the required formula. You can do practice more or more problems. You can do easily within 50 to 60 seconds exactly.